How to move furniture with Airsled hover blades. This video is a part of Airsled's hover blades video series and will demonstrate how to move a heavy credenza weighing 360 pounds. It will also explain why Airsled's 36-inch XL hoses were required and highlight tips and recommendations for optimal Airsled hover blades performance for this type of situation. This 60-pound wooden cabinet was loaded with 300 pounds of sandbags to simulate moving a 360-pound credenza with Airsled hover blades. Slide the 36-inch long hover blades air beams completely under the load's base so they extend past the rear. Because this cabinet is 60 inches wide, Airsled's XL 36-inch hoses were used to position the air beams towards the outer edges for optimal stability. With all connections secure, turn on the shop vacuum to activate the Airsled hover blades. Airsled hover blades give you omnidirectional capabilities to easily move items in tight spaces with precise control. Avoid injury and risk of flooring damage with Airsled hover blades. This next scene offers tips and recommendation to achieve optimal performance from your Airsled hover blades. This load is resting on furniture feet very close to the floor. The hover blades air beams need about a 1/4 inch gap for placement. Assistance may be required to slightly lift the load if clearance is too tight. Another option may be a lifting jack like the Viking arm to help raise the load without any assistance. With the load slightly raised, the air beam is easily slid into position. Remember to always remove your shop vacuum's dust bag before hoverblade use, and clear all debris from the tank if using the vacuum without its filter. Airsled hoverblades naturally work with 2.5-inch blower ports. However, there are shop vacuum models with smaller blower ports which are incompatible with the hoverblade's 60-inch lead hose. For those models, Airsled offers a universal iris adapter. Connect the shop vacuum's original hose to its blower port and use Airsled's universal iris adapter to attach the hoverblade's kit. Reinforcing the adapter's locking mechanism with tape can prevent it from being pulled open during use. Learn more at airsled.com.